Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here really quickly just to let you know about a sale that's going on. Well, Tonic Studios has this sale. Obviously they have different items every week, but they call it their mid-week sales. So if you click on the link that I'm going to have in the description box, it'll take you to this main screen, and from here you can go to sales, and from sales you can just go to midweek, and it'll show you what's on sale right now. So every week this changes, and you can see this is a very popular item. They sell out quick, so if you're still able to get it by the time that as you're watching this video, I'd be surprised. And you can see that this it's really short. This is all they have, I think. Yeah, it's just the one page. Then they have this big bundle of dies. They have this trimmer with the spare blades. They have this craft storage large pouch bundle. I've never seen these before. They have this really nice gift box die set, and they're really known for their dice. They have like a lot of their sets of dice have a lot, and I have a friend who told me that she feels intimidated by them. But seriously, you guys, you just need to pay attention to the larger dice, which is normally the base of the die, and then everything else is just extra. And then this is, I guess, is to make um what's it called? They call it memory books, but it's to make, like mini albums. Of course, I'm always interested in the dies, and I do want to check this one out. I think it's pretty interesting. It has a lot of pockets. It is pricey. As you can see, you are saving 40%, but it has quite a bit of dies. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That one is like those, like, you can make a loaded envelope with that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, and it has to make the rosette. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. That's that one. Envelope. Okay, those are the to make the rosettes. And then you can make, see here, the edges. You can pick whichever one you want. Let me see. What is that? I wanted to see. All right, what else? Then that's that. That's the same rosettes. This is a pocket. This is called a loaded pocket. I'm assuming that's the same thing. Just shows you the dies, what they look like. This is the back of the packaging. Oh, okay. Or is it this? I don't know. But it looks like it comes with a lot of die sets, you guys. Oh my gosh. That is a lot. Is this to make? These are called loaded pockets polybag headers. So these are like back toppers, I assume. That's kind of cool. Oh, that's pretty neat. Never seen that before. Had no idea that Tonic Studios carry that. These are loaded pocket edge border die sets. That's really nice. So everything that has to do with like a pocket. Oh, these are cute. These are loaded pocket beautiful bobbins die set. You can, gift washi tape, ribbon, twine, included in swaps. That's pretty cool. So that's that one. I was really interested in that one because it's a big bundle. You always save a lot when you're buying big bundles. Oh my gosh. So here are all the dies that it comes with. One, two, three, four, five, six. It looks like 7 sets of dies, and as you can see, these only last for 24 hours, which is 24 hours their time, you guys, because it normally starts on Wednesday, and it is still Tuesday where I'm at. It's Tuesday 9:30. And then the other one they had was this one. I thought that was kind of cute. This gift box. It's really pretty. So you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Really, to make the gift box, you just need this one die that has, you can see here, it's like the solid color. Everything else is just for decorative, just to make it look prettier. Obviously, you wanted to have all those layers like you're seeing here. So that's what that is. So don't be intimidated when you see all of those dies. And then, of course, there's the memory book. This is to make mini albums. And let's see what that one looks like. You can see right there. Well, that's pretty. A lot of decorative pieces to that. Oh, so it makes the binding and it makes the spine. Oh, that's pretty neat. And I guess these are the reinforcers. I don't know, I'm assuming. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that, you guys. And you can pretty much make it. Oh, yeah, so I was right. It is the reinforcers. Kind of like old school, how we used to make mini albums back in the days. Do you remember? Way back in the days. Oh, that's pretty cool. And it's so, oh, wow, it's only 16.40. Original price is 40.99. Oh, it is 60% off. Wow, that's really good. Anyways, and then also you can go back to your sales. You can check out the warehouse sales. You can just click on that. They always have different stuff. Um, but normally these always change the midweek sales and the weekend sales. The weekend sales is pretty good. If they have anything left over from this past weekend, it'll show here. If not, then because I know I checked it if like yesterday or the day before, and they still had items there. So, anyways, just wanted to let you know about this sale going on. Thought you would want to take advantage of it while it's still available. So, I'm going to let you go. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you end up purchasing anything. I for sure, oh my gosh, I am so tempted to buy this, you guys. For sure, I want this box, but I'm still debating if I should add this right here. I mean, it is $137, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you end up purchasing. All right, everyone. Hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.